Hello friends, welcome to Pragati's Cooking World. Today I'm going to share my first cooking video with you all, and today I'm going to make cheesy veggies garlic bread. And the things we're going to need for making this garlic bread is few garlic bread slices, one pouch of mayonnaise which is tandoori, few slices of cheese, and 1 cup of onion and 1 cup of green capsicum finely chopped. So let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna put the tandoori mayonnaise into my mixture of veggies. After adding tandoori mayonnaise, I'm gonna add half of teaspoon of black pepper, nearby 1 of teaspoon of salt, and nearby a pinch of red chili powder, mixed herbs, and now the chili flakes. And now I'm gonna give a nice stir to all the spices. Now I'm gonna put my mixture to my garlic bread. Now I'm gonna put my cheese slice to the garlic bread. I had made 3 more such garlic breads, and now I'm gonna microwave it for 1.10 seconds. As you can see, after keeping it in the microwave for 1.10 seconds, the cheese is melted so nicely. So friends, this was the recipe of cheesy veggie garlic bread. If you like this recipe, don't forget to share your comments and do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more such updates. Till then, goodbye and take care.